everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with two new colors from Secret Sister Dips. Now these two colors here are part of the No Stress collection, and you can get them either in the whole entire collection or you can get these powders individually. So the first one here, it's Uptown, and it's a beautiful light pink shimmer, and it is stunning, a must-have for your collection. And then Lady Cab Driver, it's a gorgeous pink shimmer with chameleon flakes, and it also glows in the dark. And then here are the other colors in that collection. Aren't they stunning? They are perfect for summer, and I just love that they have some shimmer to it, and I like the name that it's a no stress collection because we all need a little no stress in our life. And one of the things that I love about dipping my nails and creating content is that it is an outlet for me where if I'm having a stressful day or anything like that, it's kind of like a place where I can unwind, relax, and have no stress. So I just love the name of this collection. I think it's so fun. So we're starting out with this beautiful pink Uptown. Now this color right here, I believe it is a must-have color. It is so stunning. It is perfect on its own. You could do a mani with all this color. It's the perfect neutral, like shimmery pink, and it's just the perfect undertone. It's not too pink. It's not too nudie pink. It is just like the perfect light neutral pink that in the shimmer in here is so pretty. And I feel like this dip powder looks even good on its own with one dip. So it's a very buildable dip powder, and I love that so much. And if you've ever tried Secret Sister dip powders, the coverage of these dip powders are amazing. It's definitely a trend with all the dip powders. The formula is amazing, chef's kiss, and the full coverage of these dip powders are amazing. So if you haven't tried Secret Sister dips yet, you definitely need to head over to her shop and check it out because she has some amazing colors to offer and really just like fun dips. My favorite right now is these two colors, and I just love them. I think they're perfect. Wedding season is coming up, there's prom, or if you like neutral colors, these are going to be your jam. Now we are going to add a little bit of sparkle when we get into that Lady Cab Driver with the chameleon flakes, but that is just like an extra pop of bling, and I just love how this mani turned out. So you can see here that with that one dip, it gives you kind of like that pink jelly kind of look, but when you build it up with two, it is the perfect pink, and I love it so much. And check it out. And when you see these dip powders in the sun, it is like a whole nother level mani on your hand. It is stunning. I have a clip at the end of this video where I'm like playing with this mani in the sun, and the glitter and the like the shiftiness of the glitter is so pretty, and it was very hypnotizing and really fun to just like move my hand around in the sun. It was just a really gorgeous mani, and I really like how this turned out. So I will go ahead and make sure I link everything that we're using in today's mani in that description box below. But we're going to just start out now with that Lady Cab Driver next. And you're going to see it is cram-packed full of sparkle. And then it has these really fun chameleon flakes. Now this right here, it's so fun and buildable. You can totally pick up and add chameleon flakes too at the end of the mani. You'll see I did that as well. But this dip's really fun because you can really build it up with those chameleon flakes and add as many or less as you want, and it's gonna give you a really unique look and mani. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night, and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. get back. I'm not someone you should cheat on, 'cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky, let's toast to that. All these people can stare, I don't care about that. This is my pity party, I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party, I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar, I won't come down on it. Yeah, I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. I'm gonna drink all night and then I'm gonna let the tears fall down. I'm gonna dance all night, yeah. I'm gonna let it all out. I'm gonna drink all night and then I'm gonna let the tears fall down. I'm gonna let it all out. This is my pity party, I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party, I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar, I won't come down on it. Yeah, I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by then?
All right, and here's that finished mani. I think it's so pretty, elegant, and soft, and I'm totally living for this mani right now. If you couldn't tell by the beginning of the video, I'm completely in love with these two colors, and they are definitely pulling at my heartstrings. I really like a neutral nudie mani, especially with a little shimmer, and then that beautiful like chameleon flakes just really ties together, and these chameleon flakes melted so well into the nail and into the dip liquids to a flawless mani. And I had a really minimal filing and buffing, which I really enjoyed about this mani. It was a very easy mani to do, and I just really enjoyed how these powders performed. So again, I will link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will also leave Secret Sisters Facebook group info and the Instagram so you can check it out and see other colors from the collection and other ambassadors mani inspos. And I will see you in the next upload.